welcome back to the Ants Homestead. I'm Ness, and today is broccoli day. We are going to harvest 3 heads of broccoli, and just in case you can't see them, there is our massive head of broccoli. I literally just took a picture of these at the beginning of the week, and they were about this big. Maybe the size of like a tennis ball, baseball, around that size. And now they are like, I don't know, they're like that big. So they're hand big. So we're going to go ahead and get these out of the ground. I'm going to bring you in closer to show you where we actually cut a broccoli and some cool things about broccoli. I'll get into that in just a minute.
Ready? Lights, camera, action. There is the awesome broccoli. So let's take this sleeve out of our way. This guy, like I said, it's about a hand big. It's nice and tight. You can see that there's part of it that is starting to go a little bit lime green. This guy's ready to come out. If we leave this in the ground much longer, then it can bolt and flower and no longer be edible. So we are going to get this out of the ground right now.
Here's how you want to cut it. You want to take something that has a wide cut, and you want to come in right about here because you want your broccoli to have a bit of a stem. You can go above this or you can go below it. Let's actually take this one off so we can see a little better. And let's come right in and let's cut. Okay, so this is our head of broccoli. Look at that. What you can do is you can just take those off. And now it looks like what you would get at the grocery. We are done chopping broccoli. We've taken 3 heads off. That is good for us for now. We have a couple that are about ready over there, maybe 3 or 4 heads, but I'm going to let them sit for another week. That way we can get these eaten and then be ready for those. You can see I did not take the actual plants out of the ground. One thing that's different with broccoli is, unlike cauliflower, once you chop that head off, it's done. Just pull the plant, you're good to go. But with broccoli, it will send offshoots off. So you won't get a full-size head like we just cut off, but you'll get little mini heads of broccoli. So don't necessarily pull it out of the ground. I'm gonna leave these in for about another week, week and a half, see if they start to form the little offshoots. And the offshoots remind me of like broccolini. They're longer, slender stems. The heads are much smaller and softer, so it's more like broccolini. So if that's your jam, leave them in the ground, wait for broccolini. So this is gonna stay here for now. Surrounding it is Brussels sprouts, and then we have more broccoli over there. So these naked broccoli plants are gonna sit right here, pray for offshoots, and then maybe we have like broccoli. So I'm Ness, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.